Today I wanted to share with you my 1 a.m. routine as a baker slash artist. Yes, I wake up at 1 a.m. because of my job as a baker, and I work on my commission or YouTube during the day. It's pretty uncommon actually for people who work night shifts. It's just that there's not a lot of people vlogging their midnight shifts. So here is a week-ish in my life as a baker slash artist. I don't think I have those last week. What I'm saying is I want to get some grocery. Grocery. Sorry, Ponyo. That's a shitty art. That's a bud.
Looks like a leaf. It's cute.
Supposed to be a heart.
I know. Looks like a cute leaf.
Donkly. Welcome to a day in my life, and this is definitely not my typical day because every day looks slightly different, just like everyone else. Then the reason I wake up this early is because usually I have a night shift, which is a bakery shift. You start at 2 a.m. and to make my body got used to it better, and just feeling better in general, I just keep trying to keep waking up at 1 a.m. even though I'm not working at 2 a.m. But today is my work day. I'm just gonna work in my morning shift, which is start at 5 a.m. until 10. They usually put me on that time when they need extra people in the front because I've been working in this bakery for almost 2 years, I think it is 2 years. Yeah, I've been working in this bakery for 2 years, and I jump around in a lot of different areas, so I'm pretty flexible on what station they can put me in. But I am requesting to have 4 days off instead of 3, so I can work on these more because I'm starting to get more commission, and I don't know, my video is getting a little bit better and better in general, and I just want to keep the thing rolling. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish on one of my commission, which is making a wheel cover for my friend new car. It's her first commission with me, and she's very excited, so I want to make it perfect. sugar I get from Trader Joe's, but it's not palm sugar E. Feels like it's too refined. Yo!
It's also the open kind.
Tasty. Hello. So I shower and I eat, and now it's 1 p.m. and it is my nap time. So I split my sleep into two, around 4 hours each. So I should be waking up around 5 and go to bed again around 9 and wake up again around 1. I also have a snack before sleeping, some leftover cheesecake. But yeah, I think I'm gonna play board game after I wake up. And also, if you hear the buzzing noisy thing in the background, it's just the AC. It's getting way too hot here in Arizona. If you need to use the AC to, at least I need to use the AC to just be functional or be a human being, or I'm just gonna be a melty mess of a human, a puddle of a human. But yeah, good night. Hello, I wake up from the nap and played some board game, and I should have sleep already. This is already like 8:30, but I keep thinking about finishing this up because I got the measurement right, and I just need to cut up and like weave in the ends, and I just can't wait to give this to my friend tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that now, and then go to sleep. Because I did try to go to sleep, but I just kept thinking about this. So yeah. My table is a big mess now, but once I finish this, I'll clean it up a little bit. You see how messy it is now? Second messy. Okay, let's clean up. Okay guys, I think that is... Let me close the door. Yeah, I can't really film a lot because most of my day is in the bakery, and I am uncomfortable filming what is it in public. Very uncomfortable. But who knows, maybe you guys like this and I can make some more. Like, today is definitely not the typical day that I usually have, but my day is always different day to day, so I can't tell you what a typical day is because my schedule is always different. Sometimes I have commission, sometimes I don't. I am hoping I can start designing and stocking up Etsy store because it is kind of bare right now, and hopefully can get a couple of sales in the summer. So I don't know, so I can do this more. I just enjoy making art, and I really hope one day I can do that, just being able to afford to live I don't even like need to be like wealthy or rich or anything. I just want to be able to afford to pay rent with art by itself. So right now I definitely could not do that. That's why I am working somewhere else. But maybe if you guys keep liking and commenting and subscribing, it can reach to that point one day. I don't know. That'll be great. I love you guys. Bye bye. Good morning. Similar like yesterday, I got up and I get ready. Today I wear my mushroom bun cover. One of my favorite things is to wear my own bun cover to work because I don't really have like a style, or I can't really dress up myself too nicely because it's gonna be all covered in flour. So yeah, having to wear something cute on my outfit to work does make my day. 9.5 hours later, I'm finally home. I just noticed now that it doesn't look like any time has passed because of the bathroom lighting. But here I'm showing you off how my hairband held up after a day of physical work. And I think it held on pretty well. And at this point, very sleepily put on my skincare and I decided I need some coffee. I got myself some jikama. We call this bangkwang in Indonesia. I never eat bangkwang in America before, so let's see if it's good. I used to eat this a lot back when I was in Indonesia. We like to put it in it's not really a salad because the vegetables are kind of blanch. I'm gonna keep the rest and some of the jikama in a container for tomorrow. You want shout? The jikama slash bangkwang is very tasty, by the way. After lunch, I decided I wanted to finish my mushroom painting that I started with my friends over the weekend, and I'm painting a mora mushroom because it's one of my favorite mushrooms to eat and I miss them. I want to eat them more. And after all that, I literally passed out until the next day and forgot to film until after my shift. Hello, it is the next day. Last night, honestly, after finishing the painting, I finished it, the mushroom painting. I just sleep for like around 5 hours, woke up, eat, and sleep again till the next morning. And going to work, like you see before. But let me show you how it ended up going. So I write a little message on the side. Sorry if I'm whispering, because Harold's still asleep. I don't want to wake him out. But yeah, I write down a little message with pen on the side. But I was a little bit impatient and the pen is still not fully dry, and then I tried to erase the pencil guide that's under it and it's all messy. So can you see? This is the painting. I think it turned out very cute, but can you see the writing mess? Right now I am finishing off all my mushroom band cover for stock to post on Etsy, because I've been having a lot of traffic in my Etsy shop, but it's just I don't have enough items in there for people to be interested in buying anything. So yeah, I'm trying my best to put in stocks and take a good picture of it, because I really can't make a made to order with my job currently. I really just don't have the time, and I don't want any of my customers waiting too long for their item. I want to make sure if they order it, I can ship it in next day or the same day even. So yeah, let's go back to doing things. Oh, and if you see my clothes still covered in flour because my wardrobe is in the room and Harriet's is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up, so I'll just be dirty until he wake up. After I'm done with all the strings, I went to get ready to take picture for my shop. I made the bun cover in two sizes, a medium and a large, and right now I'm getting ready using two medium size one for a space bun. And I really think it turned out really good. And of course I'm only ready on my top half because I'm taking picture of my bust. And now I'm just getting ready to take picture for the high bun version of it with the large size one. And I definitely used this version the most. And yeah, I think that is all for today. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I really hope I can see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye!